President Donald Trump has brought in latest restrictions on US visa for workers from other countries until this year end. So if you have already applied for the US visa and waiting for it to be cleared, or if you are looking to apply for US visa, please do watch this episode. This is definitely going to be very helpful and informative to you. In this episode, I'll be telling about who will be allowed and who will not be allowed into the US at least until this year end. So let's get into the episode now. So Trump has brought in many new restrictions on visas for temporary foreign workers. He said that the reason for this was the pandemic and that many US nationals have lost their jobs. This pandemic was particularly very hard on US. We saw that many people lost their lives in US because of COVID-19, and hundreds of thousands of people were affected badly because of COVID-19. And also because of the lockdown, hundreds of thousands of people lost their jobs and they had to apply for unemployment claims. So what does unemployment claim means? If you are a US national and if you are unemployed, you can apply for unemployment claim, and through that the government will give you some amount for you to survive. So this is called as the unemployment claim, and hundreds of thousands of people applied for this unemployment claim in the US during this lockdown period. So Trump uses this as a reason to impose these changes on US visas. A wide range of workers from caretakers to software engineers will be blocked from coming to the US at least until January. And those restrictions could also be extended further. But there are some exceptions too. The recent order from the President's office says that the officials will come up with plans to let people who are treating COVID-19 patients or conducting research to help combat this pandemic will be allowed into the US. That is, they will be granted visa. Also, these new measures are not applicable to people who already got their valid visas. Business people and business groups are actually saying that these restrictions will definitely harm the US economy, and they are also accusing Trump administration for using the public health crisis as an excuse to impose unnecessary immigration restrictions. About 167,000 temporary workers will be kept out of the United States because of these new restrictions, which is actually effective from 24th of June. There are many types of US visas. We are most familiar with the H-1B visas. So there is H-1B visa, H-2B visa, J-1 visa and L-1 visa. Let us now see about each visa, how many people could be affected in each category, and also what kind of jobs are included in the new proclamation. First, let's see about H-1B visa. So what is H-1B? H-1B category covers people who work in a specialty occupation, engage in cooperative research and development projects administered by the US Department of Defense, or to the people that are fashion models that have national or international acclaim and recognition. A specialty occupation means highly specialized knowledge and skills and a bachelor's degree or foreign equivalent in a specific field of study. So what kind of works do these visas cover? The H-1B is actually most well known as a visa for skilled tech workers, that is for IT people. But workers in other industries like healthcare and the media also use these visas. 29,000 H-1B visa applicants will be affected because of these new restrictions, and some 19,000 dependents on H-4 visas will also be affected. Now let's see about H-2B visa. H-2B visa allows US employers or agents to bring foreign nationals to the United States to fill temporary non-agricultural jobs. They generally apply to seasonal workers in a wide variety of industries including landscaping, forestry, hospitality and construction. Because of these new restrictions, about 23,000 people who were looking to come into the US using this visa would be affected. The J-1 visa is an exchange visitor visa for individuals approved to participate in work and study-based programs. Interns, trainees, teachers, doctors, researchers and participants in summer work travel programs use these visas. But doctors and researchers who are involved in corona-related works will be exempted from these restrictions. About 72,000 J-1 visa applicants and some 11,000 J-2 visa dependents will be affected because of these new restrictions. The L visa category covers temporary intra-company transferees who work in managerial positions or have specialized knowledge in any particular fields. Managers, executives and employees with specialized knowledge will use these visas. About 6,000 applicants and some 7,000 dependents on L2 visas will be affected because of these restrictions. These measures taken by the US President Donald Trump is actually temporary. That is, according to the White House, these measures are applicable only till the 31st of December this year, and it would actually free up about 525,000 jobs for American workers. But tech companies like Twitter, Amazon, Google and even Elon Musk has told that this will affect the American economy big time. The US actually issued more than 900,000 visas last year, that is in the year 2019, in the categories that Trump froze now. So we have to wait and see about the more updates on this news. Until then, stay connected with us. This is Nisha PS.